Well, oftentimes, as you know, the weather plays a huge role in these fires.
And big fires sometimes create their own weather patterns.
Yeah, so here to explain more on the science and really the danger is meteorologist Chris Dunn. Chris?
Yeah, guys, we have seen this happen with some of Arizona's biggest wildfires, Rodeo Chittisky Fire, the Wallow Fire, and now the Dragon Bravo Fire. Weather impacts that are more than just a side effect. It becomes a fire-fueled force of nature. Take a look. Think about the intense heat of a large wildfire. Hot air rises, so when a fire burns across a large area, like the Dragon Bravo fire, it sends superheated air, smoke, ash, and moisture high into the atmosphere. And that can form into what's called a pyrocumulus cloud. It looks like a thunderstorm, but it's powered by fire. Here's how it works. The heated air and smoke rises high into the sky, and as it rises, it expands and cools, just enough for a cloud to form. If conditions are right, it can even develop into a thunderstorm, and that's bad news because it could result in strong downdraft winds fanning the flames and lightning, which could spark new fires and keep firefighting aircraft grounded. Another even more extreme feature of a large wildfire: fire tornadoes, also known as fire whirls. These are similar to dust devils we commonly see in the desert, but these are fueled by the heat and wind of an intense fire. A fire tornado is a spinning column of rising air and fire and can reach hundreds of feet into the air, spinning at speeds of over 100 miles an hour. Yeah, some fascinating stuff. So while the movement and size of fires is usually the most immediate concern, sometimes they can expand in a way where the dangers multiply and the situation becomes much more complex and less predictable. Tran?
Yeah, that is wild just to, think that it can create its own storm and weather system within the fire. All right, thank you so much, Chris.